Doing good. You're doing well. Okay, guys, number 19 says, solve the open sentence and graph the solution set if there is one. Okay? Now I've got the absolute value of y over 4 is greater than or equal to 1. Do I need to clean this up at all before I write two inequalities? Arjun? No, because there's nothing outside that absolute value that I need to get rid of. Okay, the absolute value is by itself. So I'm ready to go ahead and write this as two separate inequalities. Okay? I'm going to get y over 4 is greater than or equal to 1. And y over 4 is less than or equal to negative 1. Okay? Now, if I've noticed, I can tell that this is going to be a disjunction because the inequality sign is greater than or equal to. That means the distance away from 0 has to be more than 1. So if you think about 0 being here in the middle, right, I've got to get the stuff out here and out there, right, things that are farther away. So it's going to be a disjunction. Now that's not my graph of the solution set. That's just saying that the distance has got to be bigger than 1. All right, so let's go ahead and solve this now. I'm going to multiply both sides by 4. Do I need to flip the inequality, Alfredo?
No.
No, because I didn't multiply by a negative. All right, so the 4's cancel. I'm going to get y is greater than or equal to 4. I'm going to multiply this one now by 4 on both sides. I don't flip the inequality because I didn't multiply by a negative. The 4's cancel. I'm going to get y is less than or equal to negative 4. Okay, so my graph is going to look like this. I'm going to get negative 4 and positive 4. I'm going to put circles around them. It can be equal to them, so I'm going to go ahead and color that in, both of the 4's. And it said that y has to be less than negative 4, so it's going in that direction. But it has to be greater than 4, so now I'm shading in that direction. Okay, so it's a disjunction. Guys, these graphs, if you're on your test, they don't go toward, they either go directly toward each other and it shades in the middle, or they go away from each other. Okay, they don't go in the same direction. All right? So they either go like this toward each other, or they go like this away from each other. All right?
Yeah.
Okay, good job, guys. We got one example left.